Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. It's been a while between drinks, but it's time for another update. Road to 100k, let's go. And straight into it. So $45,902.02 with a wallet balance of $2,217.99, making a grand total approximately, give or take, of $48,109.16. Obviously, it's been a bad day today with a $303.29 loss on this particular portfolio, but it does go up and down on a daily basis. $300 is a substantial drop for a portfolio of this size. It's probably around 0.7%. Yeah, 0.7%. So not a great day, but that's on the back of worsening economic news. Apparently, the Reserve Bank is going to hold the interest rates for longer or possibly increase them. So the market is a bit jittery and equities are not as favourable as they could be and as they will be once the interest rates start going down for good. So that's just the way it is. So we've just got to carry on, stick it out, hold on to these particular stocks and carry on. So it's been a while between drinks for updates on this particular portfolio. Let's go and have a look at the wallet, see what's happened in there, because the last investment was on the 23rd of, no, it wasn't the 23rd of May, it was the 6th of June, so we're a bit late. We're a couple of weeks late. Never mind. We have another video because we're going to put another $1,000, which should have gone in last week, but things got busy. So when you're busy, you're busy. That's just the way it is. But we have had some dividends since that time. So we got Stride Property here on the 22nd of June, $34.82. Barramundi, $67.31. Kingfish, $46.83. Marlin Global, $54.21. And Stride, $1.09. Amazing. So, there's actually two dividends for Stride, so $34.82, plus they always seem to have a second one, a little one, $1.09. That's once every, is it every 3 months? I can't quite remember. Anyway, that's what has been happening in terms of that. Let's go and have a look at the charts. And if we go back to the last month on the chart, so what do we got there? $45,738 a month ago. And it has crept up a little bit, $45,902. That's without buying any stocks in the last month because we've been saving up. So it's crept up a little bit, another 100 and, how much we got there? Another 180 odd dollars. Not a great deal. And if it hadn't dropped down today, well, it would be better. It'd be 500 odd dollars. So that's just the way it goes. So 20 investments across the portfolio here. Let's go and go back a screen here. And like I say, we've got $2,217.99. That will be increasing probably later on tonight or maybe tomorrow with the money from last week that was supposed to go in. So add all this together. There we have it. So we're $48,109. So in terms of what's happened today, there's been some Contact Energy dropped quite a substantial amount, 1.63%, one of our biggest holdings on this portfolio. Everything was pretty much down, although Heartland Group had a good day, so that's good. So yeah, mixed bag really. Well, an unfavourable bag, let's face it. So the total amount there, negative $4,875.91. It has been almost, I think it was $5,500 in the red. Maybe even 6,000, close to 6,000, but it's itching its way back. And if it wasn't for today, we'd be $4,500 in the red. A long way to go on this portfolio. Let's go and have a look at the dividends, see what's been happening there. So we'll show the dividends. And June hasn't been as good as this time last year, although there was another $45 to go. So it's pretty much just going to be about the same as last year, even though we have actually put more money into particular stocks that should be paying out in June. So dividends haven't been as good this year by the looks of things. We're halfway through the year. We've got another half to go. We should make $1,600 for the year. Hopefully it's going to bump up to $2,000. That's what I think it's going to, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens with that. However, generally speaking, March was up over the year. April was up over the year. May was up a dribble. June is roughly about the same. There's a lot more money in July. So sometimes these dividends pay out. Could be at the end of the month or the start of the following month. So yeah, it's still definitely increasing. So that is good. Nothing yet for August, September, October, and the rest of the year at this stage on the portfolio or has been mentioned by the particular companies. That's okay. Moving on to the share allocation, not a lot has changed here. We're still dribbling off, trying to get rid of the financial services, drop that number down, diversify into these other areas, just spread everything out a lot more, make it a lot more even. And finally, looking at the NZX 50 charts, the week has definitely been down. The fortnight has been pretty much break even, so we did have a good run there. Definitely a good run, but the last week has been pretty dismal, really. And in the last month, the portfolio's stocks have gone down again. So, well, it's gone up, gone down, gone up, gone down, gone up a little bit, gone down a bit more. But yeah, carry on, get those dividends. Keep on building the portfolio, keep putting that money in. We're not going to lose any money as long as we don't sell while the market is not that flash at the moment, but I'm sure it will recover fine. And that about wraps it up. So thanks for sticking around. Thanks for staying till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. We've got another update coming in another couple of days because we are a bit behind with this particular series, but we'll carry on, soldier on, and catch you later.